Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to cancel your BeNaughty subscription. And to do so, just go to the profile section in the top right and then go to get support. So the thing you have to know on BeNaughty is that it has been reported as a scam multiple times on Reddit or other websites where they don't let you cancel your subscription right away. So you will have to contact the support, or if they don't reply to you, you can also contact them by phone using this helpline or this phone number or whatever you want to call it. So it's this one. And if that also doesn't work, report it to your bank or to the police because they have been reported as scammers multiple times before. So be careful what you do on the internet. Be careful about this website. And yeah, if you want to cancel your subscription, just contact the support or contact directly your bank to maybe even get a refund. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.